Well maintained, centrally located. Private setting in Bemus Point School District. Enjoy the outdoors under your covered patio or wrap-around porch overlooking the woods. Mint condition, heated and finished 36 by 35 outbuilding. Inside this 4-bedroom 2.5 bath house is an eat-in fully applianced kitchen. First floor laundry complete with half bath and a laundry chute. Living room has a wood-burning fireplace with gas starter. First floor office off the front foyer. Upstairs is a master bedroom and bath with walk-in closet and jetted bathtub where you can relax overlooking the woods. 3 additional bedrooms and a full bath complete the upstairs. The basement has a finished family room with wet bar. Mechanicals are all up to date. You will never run out of water with a 300-gallon water storage tank for those times when extra water is needed. If you don't want to heat with propane, you can use the whole house wood-burning stove that feeds directly into the forced hot air furnace. Attached pictures say a 1,000 words plus. Please read the attached updates and other features sheet.